How's it going, everyone? My name is Michael Thomas. I'm a Shopify developer. I help stores get set up on Shopify. And I also make tutorials for people when they ask me these questions about Shopify where they get stuck. And this is one that's come up quite a bit. So I'm hoping to, kickstart this series and showing people, the ins and outs of, the tribulations of Shopify. So this week, I want to cover assigning a template to a product, but that template was designed in an unpublished theme or a trial. So for example, I have a trial installed right now. I have created this test template. Let's pretend I've designed it and made it the best template ever. And I say, great, I want to start assigning it to my products. The problem is Shopify only allows you to assign templates when the theme is published, which is not great, because when you publish a theme, the last thing you want to be doing is like running through all your products and signing templates. You want to be prepared for a launch. You want to be able to go bang, launch, don't have much to worry about because everything's been set up and assigned. So this is actually one of those things about Shopify where I feel like they've dropped the ball, but I'm going to show you very simply how you can basically get ahead of this. So all you have to do, it's very simple. All you have to do is go to your published theme. Inside of your published theme, you're going to go and create the same template inside of there. Make sure it's spelled exactly the same, because that's what's going to line it up perfectly. Once you do that, you come over to, say, the product. And for this, I'm just going to assign it to this one here, let's say. So before, when you come in here to the templates, you wouldn't see test here because, again, your theme wasn't published because you're on a trial, or you're just still setting up your theme. You don't have to quickly publish it, assign it, and go back. Now, because we've created the same template inside of our published theme, we just select it here and click save. Now, that's not going to disrupt or hurt anything on your current published theme. As long as when you're creating the template and the product you're going to assign it to, it's either the default product template, or, if it's any other template, make sure you just create the same one inside the admin. So I've done that here. I've clicked test. I've clicked save. So now if I go into my unpublished theme and go to that same product, or just select that template, we should start to see that product that we just assigned it to there. So we'll go products, templates. We can even see assigned to one product. When we click on it, the product that we just assigned it to will start to show up, and I'm still on the trial. So this is the workaround. And the great thing is when you do go to launch your theme, when you're ready, you won't have to update your templates or anything like that. Now that you've done this step, they're all ready and ready to go. And that's pretty much it. Very simple. Great if Shopify had a guide on this. I don't know if they have or not. I don't think they do, because a lot of people have reached out asking about it. So I hope this has helped. If it does, please do consider giving me a like and a follow on YouTube. And if you have any questions or looking to get started with Shopify, please do reach out. I'm taking on new clients at the moment and looking forward to work with new people and build up a bit of a portfolio. Wish you a great day, and thanks very much.